Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have Cardano ADA daily update. We will answer some questions right now. Are we going to correct a little bit more? What is our next price target? And many more. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being a part of this community. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Join our Telegram group chat, guys. It is very important and I have the link in the description down below. So let's see now some major resistance levels. We actually went to 1.57 around there, closed a little bit beyond the 1.56, and now we want to see whether we will go down or upwards. 1.68, 1.73 is our next Fibonacci retracement major resistance level in case we go above the 1.57. Let's go to the MACD to see some important things. First of all, guys, what we want to see is after breaking this resistance line, which was pretty good, guys, we had a double bottom here, we went upwards from here. Now we want actually to break above this resistance level right here. It is very important to break this and of course go all the way upwards. Start making higher highs and higher lows. This is very important for the MACD in the 4-hour frame. You can see here where am I in the trading view. So right now we are going to jump into the commodity channel index in the RSI. In the 4-hour frame we had an overbought situation like many other altcoins. Do we have to worry about this? No, we don't, but we are actually going to go a little bit down. However, we want to see a pattern forming like this one right here, guys, where we won't go below this low right here. Okay, so we want to go down. Okay, it is very healthy to consolidate a little bit in the 4-hour frame as long as we approach an overbought situation. But right now we want a little bit to wait. Same for the RSI here, though. You can see higher lows here. What we want to see is to stop here, for example, a little bit above this low and go upwards again for the RSI. We need to start making higher low pattern. We have a higher low pattern here, higher high. We want to follow this and eventually we have more room to grow. You can see we are still inside this purple zone. Now the SSL channel, the green line is above the red line. We are having a buying opportunity for the SSL channel. Let's go to Cardano, guys, in the daily frame to see some important things. First of all, the SSL hybrid. If I close a little bit the Bollinger bands, you will see that we have a little blue arrow. This means it is a buying opportunity. Do we trust this indicator? Yes, we do trust this hybrid, however, not all of the times. Because right here we had a buying opportunity, but right here we had a selling opportunity. Therefore, we would be in a loss right here, right? So we have to combine all the indicators. But in general, this is a great indicator, guys, for you to know when to go in or not. Let's see a little bit the Bollinger bands and we close now the SL hybrid. You can see when we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger bands, we always have a buying opportunity in a normal market. That means this is a general rule that works most of the time. Like here, for example, guys, like here and now here for the Cardano against Tether USD. So right now we were below -100 in the commodity channel index. It seems like we might go again there. We will see about that. However, what we want to start forming is something like this and then eventually go upwards. If we do that, this will be very good. We have more room to grow for now, of course, and we are in a good position for Cardano Bitcoin chart. You will see afterwards what I mean. So for now, for the RSI, we want to maintain this low and from here go upwards. This will mean that we will move upwards in the terms of the price valuation, right? In the terms of the Tether USD we are looking for. Right now let's go to the blue line. You can see the blue line on the daily. It is beyond the signal line, the orange line. This means we are having a little bit of the bearish momentum here. We want a bullish recross between the lines and eventually the blue line having a much more distance than the signal line than here, for example, guys, where the blue line went above the signal line but we didn't have the strength needed to move upwards even more. So we need a reversal to the pattern. We are going now to see Cardano in Bitcoin chart, right? Cardano Bitcoin chart. You can see the GAN bottom trend line. We lost the 1-1 right here. We went a little bit down all the way till almost the 3-1. I think it is, guys, here. 2-1, this is line. The 2-1 is this. The 3-1 is now here. And you can see how we stopped almost there. What are we going to see from now on? We hope is to keep going upwards. Losing this support line will mean we might fall in this bottom trend line, right? And we don't want to see that. However, if you see the commodity channel index, it is very likely to move upwards. We are in an oversold situation, therefore a reversal pattern is more likely to come right now. So for the RSI, we are moving towards the 30. I believe that we will soon move upwards against Bitcoin. We will outperform on the 4-hour frame the Bitcoin. So right here you can see we are having a bearish cross, almost a bearish cross between the lines. However, we want to start going upwards as well. Let's go and see Cardano against Bitcoin, guys, in the daily frame. You can see that we now found support level in the 50-day MA. We haven't seen yet a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA back from January. This is absolutely insane, an insane run against Bitcoin, guys. And we want to see now forming green candles. We might see that we are in an oversold situation right now. The RSI is not in an oversold situation. However, this might be our low before we go back up again, because right here you can see that the commodity channel index is below -100. It might stay here for a while, but eventually we will see it going upwards again, right? So be prepared for Cardano to outperform Bitcoin again. So let's see the MACD. The MACD doesn't look good. However, a nice price movement will get the blue line crossing the signal line and going above the orange line right here. This will be very, very good for Cardano against Bitcoin in the daily frame. We are going now to the price analysis. We are going to see whether we will be going to 1.68 or we will wait here and then we will correct, because 1.56 is a very crucial line right here. We want to go upwards, guys. I believe we can do that, but we will go now on the 4-hour frame better to see some important things. We might correct a little bit more, right? Yeah, we might do that because we had an overbought situation. That doesn't mean though that we can't approach the 1.68. I believe because of Cardano against Bitcoin in the daily frame that we will start to outperform Bitcoin, we can move upwards, especially if Bitcoin can break this resistance level that we told in the videos, guys, that we will be approaching, but it is very difficult to go even higher. But if we go and have a swing high, because it is very possible, guys, to have a swing high, right? It's very possible to achieve the 41,300 Tether USD. It is very, very likely to do that. If we go there, then we will be heading towards new targets for Cardano. I believe after a minor correction here that we might retest, or we might find support in the 20-day MA, or we might retest the 1.44, then we can actually move upwards, right? We can actually go and retest the 1.68. We might not fall here, for example, at 1.44. We might stop a little bit further above at 1.48, for example, guys. And then we can actually recross and surpass and go towards the 1.68 to 1.74. This area of resistance level is very, very important for Cardano. If we break that, then we can achieve the 1.91 price target. But let's take it step by step, guys. I always want to be on point on my videos and honest with you. So for now, I think we will correct a little bit due to the commodity channel index. That's all. Very healthy, guys. It happens all the time. You shouldn't worry about that. And afterwards, as we approach the commodity channel index, guys, in the daily frame, as it approaches the -100, we might move upwards again for Cardano, right? So here, it will be very, very good to surpass and go even higher from the 1.56 breaking. So in my opinion, we might move something like this and then break. if Bitcoin, of course, can do something like this. But we are about to move against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame. We are in an oversold situation for both of the time frames. So this means Cardano will easily surpass the 1.56 with just a swing high here from Bitcoin. We can make it. We can make it and go to 1.68. You can see that we are starting to forming higher highs and higher lows, but this is a very critical resistance level. In case we lose this support level, then we might actually fall all the way down to 1.34. But I believe the most probable scenario and most possible scenario is to just go a little bit down and then surpass. Our next target is the 1.68, 1.54. This area, this price area right here, guys, I believe it is very crucial. We might go there. This is our next price target. We hope to get there. You can see on the 4-hour frame we are in an overbought situation, therefore we might correct. For Bitcoin, we don't want to go all the way down again. We want to stop here and eventually go back like a V-shape, guys, for the commodity channel index. So therefore, guys, I believe we can go even higher, breaking the 39,500 around this area right here of resistance level. I told you this is a very critical resistance level. In case we surpass it, this means, guys, the reversal head and shoulders pattern will stop. You can see the right, left, and of course the head, and we can go higher. You can see that we can move higher in a very nice scenario. We can approach even above the 41,000 USDT, but always have it in your mind, guys, that doesn't mean we won't go further down into 27,000 Tether USD for Bitcoin. I'm just saying that we might have a swing high, but my opinion is still here. I don't think we are going to approach all-time highs for Bitcoin soon. I believe we will be heading down there. Therefore, guys, of course you can swing trade, however, always have it in your mind that after the swing high, Bitcoin will crash. That's my opinion, and after the swing high of Cardano, we can approach these levels, but eventually we can fall all the way down afterwards. So let's take it step by step. For now, we are correcting a little bit, but afterwards, I believe that we can surely go to 1.68 and 1.74 in the next days, not the next few hours, guys, in the next days. So don't expect by the time I upload the video for Cardano, sorry guys, to move 1.68 to 1.74. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.